Hey guys, it's Cooper and today we're going to be doing a challenge, that Christmas present that I got. It includes these things. If you haven't seen the video earlier today, I posted it around 4, so I done the Bean Boozled challenge. After my sister's been out the bath, that'll be another 15 minutes. I think we're going to be doing a Bean Boozled challenge, both of us. So I've already done it today, so I'm a bit weak. So yeah, let's get into this. So I need to explain the challenge first, obviously. The challenge is helicopter, remote control helicopter. So so I have to fly in the air and I have to land it in certain spots. So if I fail, I have to eat a Bean Boozled. So yeah, put the Bean Boozled up here, and let's go get my remote control helicopter. So yeah, okay. It's good? Okay, it's good. I'm going to do 5. Okay, 3, 2, 1. As you can see that, it's like the little dot. And it's that thing. That's the helicopter. So I'm going to land now, hopefully I can land it. We've landed it. Okay, we've landed the first one. So it's the second one. Let's go. Oh no, that's a fail. That's a fail. That's a fail. So 3 more tries and I've already got 1 Bean Boozled. No, but I'll show off when you land. Boom. Okay, so 2 more, and we've still got 1 Bean Boozled. 2 Bean Boozled and 1 more. And let's go. Oh, I can't lift up. I'll lift off and I'll let it go. So, I need to turn off my helicopter, go and put it on charge, and then I'll get back to you with my 3 Bean Boozled. Go. So, 3 Bean Boozled I'm going to be having. To pull the stool out. So 3 Bean Boozled I'm going to be having are that one, this one, and that one. I'm not seeing any of them, so yeah. So I think that's rotten egg. Yeah, that's definitely rotten egg. Is it? Yeah, it's rotten egg. Rotten egg or popcorn, lime or lime clippings, and toothpaste or berry blue. So I'm going to start with the bias one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. I actually cannot eat that. Just put lime or lime clippings. Oh my god, stop being nasty. Toothpaste, thank god. Guess I rotten egg up my mouth. I'm actually shaking. With the rotten egg. Oh my god. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. If you want to see more Bean Boozled videos after tonight, let's me and Kira do, my sister, this challenge. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. So goodbye.